Hey guys, welcome back to Arry the Stag. TR Tony here, sat in the car on a Friday, not in the rain. Makes a change, doesn't it? Happy New Year for those that I haven't said Happy New Year to. Thanks for all your comments and posts on the Facebook groups. It's really great. Keep those coming. Always great to see those. This week we've had some news from Andy over in Caerphilly. If you those who remember, Andy is the Gearbox guru, so he's been working through the Borg Warner 35 and he's just sent in a video update basically on where he is with the box. So let's just plug in and have a look. Forgive the slightly narrowed screenshot, but it was filmed in vertical rather than portrait, but you get the idea anyway. And let's see what he's done.
Morning Tony, as promised, little update on your transmission. Stripped it all down, just go through the process of checking everything over and looking at things in a bit more finer detail. Your slushy shift, as you pointed out, was probably down to the front band. It's quite bad there, it's had a lot of heat damage that. So probably either out of adjustment or with the servo sticking. Excuse me with the camera shake. So yeah, so there's your band basically, showing a bit of heat. The front servo itself was a little bit iffy. If I can show you the piston, there's a bit of a cast-in defect there. I don't know if you can see it, just inside the piston. So we'll change that out. The actual retaining circlip, that was broken as well, that's quite common anyway. Moving on to the rear band, you can see that. If I can get there now with a better shot for you. That was slowly starting to wear away on its front edges. The rear servo piston seal was broken again. It's difficult to hold down and film it at the same time. Excuse me, but the rear piston seal was broken. It's quite common again. You can see it's been cut. What happens is it goes out of adjustment, pops out, and then as the seal gets pushed back by the return spring, it cuts the seal, and then that has the effect of making the piston wobble. And then you probably won't see it in there, but it's worn the base of the actual main case itself inside, which you could probably hear it rather than see it. That's quite bad. That won't linish out because it's worn into the body quite badly, and it's also worn the piston itself. So again, we'll be changing that out anyway. Fluid supply pipes, they've had a bit of a battering in the past, so they've been out a few times. They've been pushed in a bit too hard and a bit too fiercely, which has kinked the pipes and flattened them, so that's restricting the fluid flow to the rear clutch. I'll change that out. Front diaphragm springs broken as per usual. Again, that's quite common. Clutch packs, yeah, you were having a bit of slippage at some point, showing a bit of heat damage there. Frictions, I threw the frictions away, so I can't show you those. What else we got? Front centre support, a bit of ring wear in there. It's hardly noticeable. It might linish out. I'll give it a go. If not, I will swap that one out as well. But all in all, the internals were in good order. Planet set's good. All the pins are good. That's pretty good. Again, with your drum, you can see the heat build up there from the band, but it's been slipping on it. I'll give that a linish out and see if we can save that. If not, then we'll replace it. But all in all, yeah, pretty good. She rebuilt nicely. I'll post it on progress when I start putting the case together. Give you a bit of a photographic build of start to finish with the case in, putting all the internals back in for you, and showing the process of how it all goes back together, and then you can add that to your channel if need be. But yeah, I'll keep you posted, and I'll speak to you again soon. Thanks, Tone. Bye.
Well, that's absolutely fantastic, isn't it, Andy? And I know he's a sound guy. If ever you want a Borg Warner gearbox looked at, he's one of the guys I think know these things inside out. He's quite an amazing guy. So we are at a situation now, I think, where the gearbox will be coming back very shortly. The engine is complete. I've had a phone call in the last few days saying that is ready to be collected. So the whole Saloon ensemble, gearbox and engine, will be back with us very, very soon, and then I suppose we start the process of putting it all back together, and very much looking forward to that. We'll be filming it obviously as we go through. So there you go. Have a great week wherever you are. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Always appreciate a few thumbs up, and also grab your free Arry the Stag badge of honour. Just go on to our website and grab that, and we'll send it to you anywhere in the world free of charge. And we'll see you online on Arry the Stag very soon. Cheers for now, guys. All the best.